Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to add a multiple line watermark in Microsoft Word to create professional looking documents. A watermark is often used to display text like confidential, draft, sample or copyright errors a page. But sometimes you may want more than one line of watermark text, such as a title and subtitle. In this tutorial, we will discover the simple method to create a custom multi-line watermark using text boxes, WordArt and formatting tools inside Microsoft Word. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I want to add multiple line watermark. Go to the design menu. Click this watermark option. Then go to the more watermark from otherwise customize the watermark. Then select text watermark. Now I am add the watermark text. Here the demo text is ASPE. Now I am write a watermark text. Now I am write everybody alert. Click this apply option. Then click close. But we can see the watermark is one line. Now we go to the header option. Double click on the top. Then select the watermark text. Go to the watermark option and we can see here the edit text option. Now I am enter the text. Then clicks OK. Now we can see we make the text multiple line. Then double click on the main page. Now we can see we make a multiple line watermark very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.